Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to easily use AI Framing Master for better photos on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, open the camera and make sure you're in photo mode. This button at the top with a grid is called the AI Framing Master. Click Agree and Continue. When you capture landscape, AI will intelligently recognize and recommend optimal composition rules. For portrait, it will also recognize everything and give us the best way of doing that. It's recognizing the scenario. Let me put my phone like this and place the flower right here so it's in frame. We need to enable it again because it's optimizing the scenario. Move your phone to align the dot with the metal. Now we can take the photo, and the photo looks really good. The AI Framing Master works, but it will definitely work better outdoors. It will tell you everything you need to do. It will set its own camera settings, which could be on 1.5, 1 or 2 depending on what you're taking a picture of. It will recognize the scenario once you click it, taking about 5 to 10 seconds. That's how you can use it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.